A Chinese expert on Latin American studies has said that the United States uses the word Americas as a tool to pay lip service, noting that the rhetoric is only for the interests of the U.S.
事实上呢，发现美国呢往往是口惠而实不至，在需要拉丁美洲国家的时候，比如说强调共同的价值观、文化，甚至强调他们共同的这种地缘位置的时候，他们强调我们的美洲。但是发现呢，美国所谓在强调美洲的时候，是为了美国，就是强调 America 是为了 United States America， 而不是 the whole Americas。那么这就意味着呢，美国在用 Americas 的时候呢，实际上也是一种工具。
The 9th Summit of the Americas is being held in Los Angeles from June the 6th to 10th. The U.S. government, abusing its privilege of being the host country, excluded Cuba, Venezuela and Nicaragua from the summit. Mexican president said he would not attend the summit. The state leaders of some other countries in the Americas have also voiced a boycott of the summit.